Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about what is Excel and basics of Excel. So we will cover few topics in this video. Okay. So in this video we will cover the layout structure of Excel, in which we would have few subtopics or sub options like quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbon, name box, formula bar, column heading, row heading, sheets, scroll bar, status bar, and file. So first of all, I would say, what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet developed and published by Microsoft, which is a very famous and useful spreadsheet application for day-to-day working and summarizing data and working on the data. So we will talk about what is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is this. If you can see, the at the top we have the save, undo, and redo, and many more options we have. So this is a quick access toolbar, and this is a tab, and this whole area is ribbon. So home tab, insert tab, draw tab, page layout. So these are the tabs. After that we have name box. So name box is this, where we have the exact cell name or the range name. So if I click here, you can see it is showing the J16, which is a exact the exact name of the cell. So if I click here, and if I click here J16, it will go on the J16 cell. Okay. Further, we have the formula bar. So this is the formula bar where we whatever the formula we apply, we can see there, and whatever we type also we can see in the formula bar. So if we see, so this is showing the all formulas. Okay, and next we have column heading. So column heading is A, B, C, D. These are the columns. Okay, these are the vertical and the columns. And we have a row heading. So row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the rows. And seat is seat 1. Click on the plus to add another seat. Seat 2, seat 3. So these are the seats. And scroll bar. So these are the scroll bar. Okay, this is the scroll bar and status bar. So this is the status bar basically at the bottom, and the and we can just click on the page layout, whatever type of page we want. It's a normal page, it's a page layout, adding header and footer, and the page break preview. So there are multiple type of pages. So we have now the normal page. Okay, so I hope uh, you are clear with the basics of Excel, and we will also you know learn more about Excel